Today, let us talk about how to test web pages for mobile or tablet in Chrome browser. We will cover in this video iPhone testing, iPad testing, Android phone testing, Android tablet testing, and demo. Step by step demo. Now let's go to the demo. Okay, launch the Chrome browser first. I have the Chrome browser in the desktop. Launch it. First step. Second, click on the settings icon menu bar and go to more tools, launch developer tools. Basically, you go to launch developer tools either through this menu or Control Shift I. Okay, it launches the developer toolbar. If you maximize, click on this. Let me click on this. So right, you can dog this developer toolbar part of the main browser like this. It's a developer. Or if you don't want it, you can undock. So now I will use undock. That then we will get more space in the browser. Okay. So once it is there, if I go back to the developer toolbar, this is icon toggle twice toolbar, Control Shift M. Right? When I click this, if I come here, it's working as a regular browser. Right? I am launching the website called Twitter. Right? The Twitter is loading and it is working as a browser web page. Now, for example, if you want to test the same Twitter test page in mobile browser like iPhone, iOS, how to do it? That's what we are going to see it. So we have launched the developer toolbar already. We am going back to the developer toolbar. So it is there. Click on this toggle device toolbar tool, right? Okay, click. Then the browser is changed into the mobile mode, right? If you want to select a specific mobile device, you can select it. For example, right now it is selected no Galaxy Note 3 device. Now let me put this is a 360 into 640. Let me put into the 100%, right? So this is the Galaxy Note 3. So if I go relaunch this Twitter again, okay, I'm relaunching the Twitter again. So it is Galaxy Note, right? Let me inside Galaxy Note. Let me go to Galaxy S5 and relaunch it again. So you can see that it is getting launched. That Twitter is getting launched in the mobile website mode. If I want to launch, let me make it 100%. If you want to launch in the iPhone X, you can go back and again iPhone X. Let me go back to another site. For example, I'm going to Google. Right? You can see that Google mobile view. Okay. So I'm testing the Google mobile view. Instead of 75%, I will make it 100% view. or to better quality I'll make it 150%, right? So the page will get adjusted in the mobile view. You want to rotate, you can rotate it to touch the landscape mode. So right now it is rotated in the landscape mode. Again going back to Twitter now, in the landscape mode, it will load, the page is getting loaded in the landscape mode. Instead of 100%, I will put 150% to make it bigger. So then when you select this feature, emulator feature, you can select any device, like we saw that Galaxy Note, Galaxy S5, iPhone X. Let's go to iPad Pro. Uh, Better to reload, but once you're done, better to reload the page to make sure it is using the latest device you selected in the browser. So I'm just going back to the Google. It loads in the iPad Pro, or you can go back to the Microsoft.com, any site, right? Any site or whatever site you want to test, you can go to the site. So here it loads in the iPad Pro mode. I always keep it. Let me keep it 100% mode, right? And come back to the Twitter for example again. Okay, basically we are testing the all different kind of devices, any device, not only Android, iPhone. If you want to test other device, for example BlackBerry, you can test it. And you want to test the landscape mode or portrait mode. Right now I'm in portrait mode, uh, or landscape mode. You can test the quality and have that 100% view. Or if you want to see more, I untick this, right? 100% view, rotate landscape mode, and use this. There are many things, many built-in functionality we have that we will talk about in the next video. But one more thing we can talk about here, there is a edit feature. When you click edit, it opens up this, so you can select BlackBerry, Galaxy, so by default, or any other device, right? It's not like just mobile devices, you can select any device to test, right? And if you want to do you have a new custom device, specific device that's not listed in this list, you can add the device. For example, next year iPhone 12 is coming, for example, right? You can put iPhone 12, and what is the resolution, put it, and user agent string. Each phone has its own user agent string, not only phone, each device has its own user agent string. So you can copy paste the user agent string and add it. For example, how to find the user agent string, let me go there. So right now this is the Windows virtual machine. Let me find what is the user agent string for this. What is my user agent string? Okay, I will go there. What is my user agent? And here when I click here, it will give me my current user agent string, like that each device. So this is the user agent string, right? So, so it will give you when you get the new device, you will have the user agent string. You don't have to have the user agent string. Basically, if you have a user agent string, you can add it, and then the device will act accordingly. The user agent string tells about what is the device, what is the version of the device, what is the version of the browser. Everything it will give you the information, and then the emulator will understand what it should do when you have the settings. So like that you can test any device, web page testing in any device using this user agent string using this device like a device toolbar, right? Once it's selected, then you will be able to find out your usage and strength. For example, I added the iPhone 12, then it is coming here, right? So that's how you can test any device. You can test web pages in any device using these Chrome developer toolbar. The same thing is available in Firefox. The same thing is available in Safari. Same thing is available in Edge browser. So, but most of the people uses the uh, most of the people uses the Chrome for testing actually. So because Chrome is most widely used browser. Okay, thanks for watching. If you like this video and you have any other question for in the technology, please send us in the comments. We will answer your questions. So please subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you.